Apple quietly shipped a new speech recognition API called SpeechAnalyzer, and a developer just benchmarked it head-to-head against OpenAI's Whisper. The results are genuinely surprising. It wins on accuracy and speed, entirely on device. Let's look at the numbers. Here it is, straight from the source. First, what it is. SpeechAnalyzer is Apple's new speech-to-text API, introduced in iOS 26 and macOS 26. It replaces the old SFSpeechRecognizer, which used to send your audio to Apple's servers by default. The new one runs fully on-device. The transcription never leaves your machine, and it's built right into the operating system, so there's no model to download. Here's the headline chart. Word error rate on clean speech, where lower is better. SpeechAnalyzer hit 2.12%. Whisper Small was 3.74. Whisper Bass, 5.42, and Apple's old engine, a rough 9%. On noisy audio, the gap holds, 4.56% for SpeechAnalyzer versus nearly 8% for Whisper Small. Apple's new engine is simply more accurate here. And it isn't trading speed for that accuracy. On an M2 Pro, SpeechAnalyzer processed audio about 3 times faster per second than Whisper Small, while being more accurate. An hour of audio transcribes in roughly 1.5 to 5 minutes, all locally. Faster and better at the same time is the rare combination that actually changes what you'd build. Now the caveats, because they matter. SpeechAnalyzer supports about 30 locales, while Whisper covers over 100 languages. So for non-English work, Whisper is still essential. It also only exists on iOS and macOS 26, the newest releases, and of course it's Apple only. This is an English on Apple win, not a universal one. So the verdict. If you're doing English transcription on modern Apple hardware, migrate. It cuts word error rate by 3.5 to 4 times, versus the old API, runs on device, and costs nothing to run. Keep Whisper in your toolkit for broad language coverage. The bigger signal is that on-device speech recognition just got quietly, genuinely good. That's the AI Daily. If you found this useful, subscribe. Now you're one step ahead. Subscribe to BirenAI to stay there.